Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of your karaoke text animation effect on CapCut PC. So if you add your default text here and type in a lyric, I'm just going to type in cruel summer with you. It's a cruel summer with you. I'm drunk in the back of the car and I cry like a baby coming home from the bar. Oh, I'm fine. Sorry. Anyways, I could not do that without singing it. We're going to go to animation and we're going to select the karaoke one, which is somewhere here. There we go. And you're going to adjust the speed a little bit. Why did the font change? I don't know what happened. There we go. I don't know why that was like being weird. Okay. Once you're done with that, I'm just gonna make it super slow like here. Right click, create compound clip, and you're going to go to adjustments. You're going to turn on the saturation and adjust the brightness. You're also going to add in highlights as well and add shadows, and you're going to leave that one alone. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go to media, you're going to library, or you can just copy and paste another color if you want. I'm just going to select this one. And I'm just going to go back to video here, and I'm going to the blend mode, and I'm going to then select overlay to create a different colored karaoke text effect. But that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comments section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.